On the 1st of August, India signed a defense cooperation agreement with which country during the 13th JDCC meeting? A. Saudi Arabia. B. UAE. C. Japan. D. Australia. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. UAE. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, in August 2025? A. Dr. Manoj Soni. B. Preeti Sudhanha. C. Sushil Chandra. D. Arvind Saxena. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. Preeti Sudhanha. Which event marked a milestone in India-US cooperation in space technology in August 2025? A. Launch of Chandrayaan-3. B. Joint NASA-ISRO Nisar satellite launch. C. Gaganyaan human mission test. D. Mars Orbiter Mission 2. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. Joint NASA-ISRO Nisar satellite launch. India was elected Vice Chair of which council under the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity, IPEF? A. Supply Chain Council. B. Labor Rights Advisory Board. C. Crisis Response Network. D. Environmental Sustainability Council. Your time start now. The correct answer is A. Supply Chain Council. Which ministry launched the National Apprenticeship and Training Scheme, NATS, 2.0 portal, in August 2025? A. Ministry of Skill Development. B. Ministry of Labor. C. Ministry of Education. D. Ministry of Industries. Your time start now. The correct answer is C. Ministry of Education. What major banking reform was introduced by the Banking Laws Amendment Act 2025? A. Reduced CRR. B. Raised substantial interest threshold to 2 crore rupees. C. Increased female directors on bank boards. D. Introduction of bank privatization policy. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. Raised substantial interest threshold to 2 crore rupees. What is the theme for World Breastfeeding Week 2025? A. Empowering parents, enabling breastfeeding. B. Prioritize breastfeeding, create sustainable support systems. C. Support breastfeeding for a healthier planet. D. Breastfeeding, foundation for life. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. Prioritize breastfeeding, create sustainable support systems. The 32nd International Conference of Agricultural Economists was hosted by which country in August 2025? A. USA. B. China. C. India. D. Australia. Your time start now. The correct answer is C. India. Which Advanced Agricultural Advisory was launched by ICAR in August 2025? A. AI-powered weather prediction portal. B. Digital crop insurance system. C. Blockchain fertilizer tracking. D. Mobile irrigation monitor. Your time start now. The correct answer is A. AI-powered weather prediction portal. Which apex body provides legal aid in India, highlighted on the 1st of August? A. NCSC. B. NHRC. C. NALSA. D. Niti Aayog. Your time start now. The correct answer is NALSA, National Legal Service Authority. A flash flood, cloudburst, occurred in which region on the 5th of August? A. Chamoli. B. Uttarkashi. C. Pithoragarh. D. Dehradun. Your time start now. The correct answer is B. Uttarkashi. From August 27, the USA imposed what tariff on Indian goods? A. 10%, B. 15%, C. 25%, D. 50%. Your time start now. The correct answer is D. 50%. The tariffs were further exacerbated due to India's continued purchase of which country's oil and weapons? A. Iran, B. Russia, C. Saudi Arabia, D. China. Your time start now. Now the correct answer is B. Russia. On the 5th of August, the government banned possession and sale of books in which region? A. Sikkim, B. J&K, C. Assam, D. Ladakh. Your time start now. Now the correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Who assumed charge as the Vice Chief of Naval Staff on the 1st of August? A. VADM Sandeep Mehta, B. VADM Sanjay Vatsayan, C. VADM Rajesh Bhasin, D. VADM Anand Prakash. Your time start now. The correct answer B. Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan.